All right, I think every good tool set needs a good cordless ratchet. And today we're gonna be looking at this cordless ratchet right here. This is made for DEWALT batteries, although this is not a DEWALT made tool. And DEWALT makes a tool like this, similar to this, where we're gonna put it up against we're gonna test it to see if this cordless ratchet for DEWALT batteries is gonna make it in the tool bag or not. One of the nice things about this kit right here is you're gonna get a few sockets with this extension. This is a 10 millimeter. You're also gonna get, let me show you really quick. I just put them in my pocket. You're gonna get a 10, a 13, and a 12. So you get a 10, 12, and 13. And then what it does is it jumps up into, instead of 3/8, it's going to jump up to a half. So it's going to give me an adapter for a half, and then you're going to get a 17 on the half size, and you're going to get a 15. So you're going to get a 15 and a 17. So 10, 12, 13, 15, and 17 in the half with an adapter. That's basically it. Just a small little kit of bolts. That's just one of those things. It's kind of nice to have that comes with the ratchet. So obviously this little ratchet right here, you're not going to be taking off rusted bolts or anything like that. It's just to basically give you space when you're working on a vehicle and you just need to get into a tight space and take off something like this. So I just wanted to show you. I didn't really have anything I needed to work on my truck. So I just want to show you really quick. You can tighten it, and then let me flip it back, flip it this way. And that's about the speed that you're going to get right there when you're taking a bolt out, right? It's not going to give you blazing fast speed like you're using like a air wrench or something like that, but it's going to give you precision and control when you're trying to get those bolts, knock them loose or whatever. So when you're trying to take the bolts out after you've knocked them loose, then you'd grab this tool right here and just take it out the rest of the way. So again, this is not DEWALT, but it does take DEWALT batteries. So just know that going in and you'll be all right.